Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must act immediately. Reach the emergency hammer and remove any safety clip or bracket. Do not delay. Check the window type and surrounding space so you hit a corner, not the center. That breaks more easily. Once you have a clear swing, position your feet for balance, raise the hammer over shoulder height, aim for one of the upper corners, and prepare to strike decisively. Make sure to tell nearby passengers to stand back for safety before you hit. Once done preparing, deliver a firm, controlled strike to the window corner. This concentrates force and causes the tempered glass to shatter. If the first blow doesn't fully break it, follow with 1 or 2 decisive taps rather than chaotic swings which risk injury. As the glass fragments, shield your hands with your sleeve or a jacket. Make sure to avoid pressing through sharp edges. Then, clear a safe handhold in the frame and pull out remaining glass fragments away from the exit path. After the window breaks, finish by sweeping loose glass away and guiding passengers out in an orderly, single-file manner. Help those who need it and keep everyone low to avoid falling. If the hammer is missing or the window resists, switch to any heavy metal object and repeat corner strikes. Make sure you brace yourself. If the glass is laminated and won't shatter, create a small focused puncture, then pry along the frame to remove the pane. That prevents endless danger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.